Some of you guys may have been wondering about the blizzard in New England this year, 2013, or maybe if you're watching in the future, a few years ago, but in 2013, New England had a blizzard, and I'm going to show you what it's like. Spent all yesterday shoveling. There's a lot of snow. My car. Well, it's not my car. Look at this. All this snow. So much. It's a lot of snow. Whew. You can see how tall it is right here. The little path the snowblower made. Look at this. Look how tall it is. Snow's really tall. 2 feet. Some areas 3 feet. I had to move that out of the way to get the snowblower through. Lots of snow. It's ridiculous how much. I mean, look at this. That's how high it is. That's pretty high. So, if you didn't know what the blizzard was like, or you're wondering about it, this was the blizzard in New England, 2013. Today is January something. I don't know, check the upload date. So I'll upload it today. And, yep. Goodbye.